The Roman army, once a dominant force wielding the iconic Gladius, faced a changing battlefield during the tumultuous late Empire. Warfare became more brutal, enemy tactics shifted, and the need for greater reach grew. This led to the adoption of the Spatha, a longer, more versatile sword that replaced the Gladius as the primary weapon. However, the Gladius's short length and thrusting prowess remained valuable in close-quarter combat. A longer weapon like the Spatha could be cumbersome in tight spaces and skirmishes. Roman strategists grappled with this challenge: how to maintain the close combat effectiveness of the Gladius while adapting to the evolving battlefield. The answer arrived with the Semi-Spatha, a smaller version of the Spatha that emerged during the late Empire. Roughly half the length of a standard Spatha, this compact weapon served a similar role to the Gladius, a backup for situations where agility and quick thrusts were essential. There is also another theory surrounding the Semi-Spatha, which is these swords may simply be recycled versions of swords that were already broken in combat. This would explain why there seems to be no standard size for a Semi-Spatha, as they could just simply be broken swords with a handle put onto the end. While primarily used as a secondary weapon, or in close-quarter skirmishes, the Semi-Spatha might have had additional applications. Some scholars theorize that its compact size made it a suitable sidearm for auxiliary troops or specialized units. Its portability could also have been advantageous for standard legionaries, allowing them to carry a secondary weapon without significant burden. The blade's ogival point, rounded tip, suggests a date later than 200 AD, distinct from the earlier, triangular-pointed Pompeian, Republican type. The blade length firmly places it within the short sword category, significantly shorter than the dominant Spatha of the period, 60 to 100 centimeters blade length. It also doesn't fit the 3rd century AD Kunzing type short sword find, due to its longer blade length, 23 to 39 centimeters. The 3-part hilt design, with a metal plate, wooden bone grip, and pommel, aligns with other Roman swords. Notably, the blade lacks the central groove, fuller, commonly seen in 3rd century spathae and short swords. The Semi-Spatha exemplifies Roman pragmatism in military technology. By adapting an existing weapon design to the demands of a changing battlefield, they ensured their soldiers remained equipped with effective tools for close-quarter combat. While the exact details of its use remain debated, the Semi-Spatha's existence highlights the Roman army's ability to evolve its arsenal in the face of new challenges.